going on, guys? Nevercat here with a little tutorial that I couldn't find online. Couldn't find anything on it, so I'm running you through the process. It is the Texas Instruments EZ430 Chronos watch. The issue that I was running into basically is that the little RF transmitter, radio frequency transmitter, access point as they call it, was not being found by Windows. It was defaulting to a different driver. So if you're at this point, you've already figured out how to get Windows 10 to let you run unsigned drivers. That's the easy part. Hard part is trying to get the fucking transmitter to work. So anyway, I'm going to walk you through the process. It's as simple as just going to, actually, you know what? I'm going to use a shortcut. Windows key X will open up this little control panel off to the side here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Device Manager. And right now, mine's not plugged in because it's in my hand. And pardon me, because for whatever reason, this laptop I bought today decided to put the tightest USB ports I've ever seen. Tighter than your grandmother on Thanksgiving. That fucking slut. Anyway, so what you're going to do, once that's inserted, you're going to go to ports, COM ports. As you can see, mine's showing up as EZ430 Chronos AP COM3 on COM3. Okay, in my case, it's COM3. For you, it could be a number of random numbers because, well, you probably have more USB ports than I do. The other ones are 3.0, so I'm not going to use those anyway. So, back to the task at hand. Driver. So this is what you're going to do. It's going to show up as like a generic USB device. Unplug fucking everything from your USB ports on your computer except for your keyboard and mouse because you might need those things unless you're on a laptop. But otherwise, get them all out. You're just trying to find this device. So it's going to show up as like a generic device. I can't even remember what it showed up for me. It was just fucking generic. Anyway, that's what you're going to do. Update driver. Browse from my computer for driver. Now, this section up here, this little, that section, don't fucking use it. Useless. Don't let Windows do anything. Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. And if you've already installed these drivers, which came with a little package of your little quick start here, you use the wiki page, you found downloaded the drivers, you got the drivers installed, even though they're unsigned and Windows 10 doesn't like those, you should see this in here. Now it's going to give you this little, this driver is not digitally signed. Oh God, it could give you a virus. Anyway, you're deving. If you don't fucking know how to get to this part, then return this watch and stop trying to be something you're not, because you're dumb. Anyway, so you'll just click next. It'll run through the process. It'll blah blah blah. Next. Installing device driver. Okay. Blur. Okay. And now it will show up as your EZ430 Chronos AP COM3 in my case. And it's as simple as that. That's it. That's all you need. Repeat this process for the breakout board or the connection. I don't know what the fuck they call it. What do they call it? EZ430 emulator. Repeat the process. Same shit. Anyway, you're all good now. You're all set up. Give a like. Give a comment. I don't know if you're still having problems. Drop a comment. I might reply. Who knows? Fuck it. Not too many people own these. Thank you.